Are you scared or fearful when looking at home loans? I remember when I bought my first property, I was emotional, was confused, and felt like a kid in school relying on banks, mortgage brokers, to make this crucial decision for us. My heart used to pump when talking to banks or brokers because of fear of losing out. Do not worry. I have created these videos to help you out so that you are not alone. So keep watching, don't skip. It's your hard-earned money and financial future for you and your kids. You see, the fear of loans is not uncommon. In fact, it's quite widespread. It's the fear of the unknown. But let's take a step back. The root of this fear is simply not knowing. Not knowing how to secure a loan, not knowing how to navigate the banks, not understanding how to get the most loan with the income you have. It's enough to make anyone feel uneasy. But here's the good news. Information is the antidote to fear. Don't forget to note all tips and tricks in this video, and you may have, and share in comments to benefit as community. Are you feeling lost and confused about loans? Now, don't let that uncertainty overwhelm you. There are numerous avenues to seek help from. 1. Friends, family, and mortgage brokers can offer advice and share their experiences. But remember, the most reliable source of information is the bank or the lender itself. 2. Gather your courage and pick up the phone. 3. Talk to a representative, ask your questions. They might try to rope you in, but be assertive. Let them know you're just seeking information at this point. If one bank doesn't satisfy your queries, don't hesitate to move to the next. It's about finding the right fit for you. And yes, it might feel like work, but it's work worth doing. After all, it's your hard-earned money we're talking about. So be diligent, be confident, and remember to take notes. Remember, banks want your business. You are in charge. Loans can be complex, but are you doing your homework? You see, understanding the ins and outs of loans is just like studying for a test. You wouldn't walk into an exam room unprepared, would you? The same applies to securing a loan. By conducting thorough research, you're arming yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Failing to do so can result in unfavorable loan terms, hidden fees, or worse, falling into a financial trap. It's like venturing into a maze without a map. You could end up lost, or worse, stuck. Take the time to understand the different types of loans available, their terms, and what fits best with your financial situation. Explore your options, compare rates from different banks, and don't shy away from asking questions. In this digital age, information is at your fingertips. Use it to your advantage. Remember, doing your homework now can save you a lot of trouble later. Are you aware of the scammers in the loan market? In this vast and complex loan market, there's a darker side we need to address. Scammers, waiting for an opportunity to exploit the unsuspecting. So it's essential to stay vigilant. A rule of thumb: always verify the legitimacy of the institution or agent you're dealing with. Be cautious when sharing personal information, and never, under any circumstance, should you provide your sensitive details over an unsecured connection. Unsolicited offers should raise a red flag. If you didn't initiate contact or apply for a loan, be wary of any unexpected loan offers, especially those that press for immediate action. Finally, be skeptical of any deal that seems too good to be true. High-pressure sales tactics, unusually low interest rates, or promises of guaranteed approval are often signs of a scam. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. What mindset do you need to have when dealing with loans? Now that's a question worth pondering. First and foremost, embrace a proactive attitude. Don't sit back and expect things to fall into place. Seek information, ask questions, and do your own research. You have the power to secure the best loan for your situation. Next, be realistic. Understand your financial standing and what you can truly afford. There's no point in eyeing a castle when your pocket can only accommodate a cottage. Always keep your financial capabilities in mind. And most importantly, be in control. This is your hard-earned money we're talking about. Just like when you're shopping, the banks want your business. They should be trying to impress you, not the other way around. Finally, remember that this is a long-term commitment. It's your responsibility to make the best decision for your future. So, do the necessary homework, get the right information, and manage your emotions. Remember, you're in charge of your financial future. Are your emotions getting in the way of your loan decisions? Now, it's completely natural to feel an emotional attachment towards a potential home. It's not just bricks and mortar after all, but a place where you'll create memories, a sanctuary to call your own. However, when it comes to making financial decisions, emotions can often lead us astray. The thrill of purchasing your dream home can cloud your judgment, leading you to overstretch your budget or overlook critical details in the loan agreement. This is where keeping emotions in check becomes crucial. Try to view your loan decision as a business transaction. Analyze your financial situation realistically, and don't let the allure of a property push you into making hasty decisions. Shop around, compare rates, understand the terms, and always prepare a realistic budget. Remember, your home is a long-term commitment, and it's important that this decision doesn't become a financial burden. Remember, it's better to make informed decisions than emotional ones. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Overcoming fear of loans begins with understanding. The unknown is often the root of our fear, but with knowledge, that fear can be conquered. Always remember to seek help when needed. There's a wealth of resources out there, from friends and family to mortgage brokers and online forums. Doing your homework is crucial. Be proactive. Get your hands on as much information as possible. This will empower you to make informed decisions. Avoid analysis paralysis. Keep an eye out for scams. Not everyone out there has your best interest at heart. Be vigilant and verify the authenticity of the companies and agents you deal with. Having the right mindset is key. You are not at the mercy of banks or brokers. They want your business. You are in control. And finally, don't let emotions rule your decisions. Buying a home can be emotional, but your decisions need to be rooted in reality. Remember, you are in charge of your financial future. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and watch the next video to save more money and your financial future.